Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video where today I will be creating a Minecraft modern house. This is going to be epic, alright? So here in front of me, I have the modern house. And this bad boy is only 7 by 8 blocks. Super simple to build, and it is, well, it's not that big, so it's like a minimalistic house. And it looks very nice. So this is what it looks like all the way around the other side. It's very minimalistic. Use not spruce, birch on the floor, concrete for the walls, and light gray stained glass for the windows, and dark oak for the door. So anyways, let's get right into building this epic house. So in order to start off, you're going to want to build 3 blocks up like so, 3 times like this. And then you're going to want to place 1 block right there to make way for the door. You're not going to want to place your door in yet because you have to place down the birch planks, but we'll do that at the end. And then on this side, you want to build a wall like so, 3 blocks long, 4 blocks long to meet over here on the other side. Then you want to build 3 blocks upwards. And right here, you're going to take your gray concrete and you're going to take your gray concrete and you're going to build 3 blocks right here, 3 blocks right here, and 3 blocks in the middle. Just like that to fill up the entire wall. And then over here, you'll want to do the same, except you want to wrap it all the way around, and then you'll want to leave this area and this area. Actually, you want to build up 3 right here as well. And then you want to place in your glass panes. And then you want to place in your floors. And then now is when you want to do the overall overlaying white part of the build. So you want to build 4 blocks across like this, and you want to build it up 4 blocks tall. And then you will line it across the top like so until you reach the other side. And then you'll build it downwards like so. And then you'll build it across this way. Perfect. And then when you're done with that, you actually want to erase this area and put in something right there. And if you want, you can remove this and place in an extra big window right there. If you go over here to the outside, you can place down your door, and then boom, your house is complete. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to help you guys out a lot in building your new Minecraft modern houses. Thank you, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.